another fine day is here with us. A day to think and think and think. Oh my God. I've been thinking, by the way, guys. And I just feel like it's the right time we share these out together. I think the world is not fair enough. Sijui ni mimi na overthink ama ni aje, but najua pia wewe you can support me in this. Oh my God. Yani tuko zile time za trying kuona kama you will make it. Yes guys, so nimekuwa nikifikiria, by the way. I've been thinking. Na kitu nimekuwa nikifikiria, I think it's not only affecting me alone, but many in the society. And sometimes I wonder, how is future going to be? And how will be the future generation? Because si kuzuri watu wangu, si kuzuri. Nimekuwa nafikiria, we have been investing so much in education and all that, yet you're not even guaranteed anything after education. Yes, umesoma, then what next? Sometimes inanipea ile nini maswali tu, like should we stop doing it all aje? I just feel like kuna standards zenye tumewekewa zenye ziko juu zenye hazikuwa kitambo, of which I don't think if it's fair at all. Juu kitambo ungepata a degree it had a meaning, na mtu akiwa na degree alikuwa ile naweza pata job nini hivyo. But look at the society right now. A degree means nothing, totally nothing. Mtu anaweza kuwa ako na degree lakini ana tofauti na mtu mwenye labda ni drop out ama nini. Of late I think talents and hizi vitu za kujifanyia na mkono mostly zina pay more than education, yet we are investing so much in education. I don't mean watu wasisome ama wasisomesha watoto, but come to the reality of the point. Ukiangalia ni wangapi wenye wamesoma na hawana job. I don't know who to blame. Should we blame the government or I don't know, because pesa yenye natumika kwa education manzisi kidogo, and kusoma tu, and hakuna kitu like end goal yenye uko sure about. Saizi biashara imekuwa kupata kazi ni connections and all that. So watu kama wenye like if you don't have a connection, it is hard for you, you will suffer. Actually, you will suffer before upate hiyo kazi and all that. But sasa, what can we do to help these people, this generation? Actually, no one is there for us. No one is on our side. Hata when it comes to applications, oh my God. We are trying, una submit so many things zenye hatu hujui zitasaidia aje. 24/7 headaches, stress. Jamani, kutafuta kazi tena ni kazi nyingine tu, stress tupu. And nimekuwa tu nafikiria because Ukifika tu on job application sector, vitu zenye unapata hapo, my god. Tena the high demands, high expectations, have you done this and this. They just want you to continue and continue, yet no guaranteed job you're going to get actually at the end of the day. Unapata tu umeinvest in education, trying this and this and this, yet no job. My question is, why can't they give us a certain job yenye, ama be assured of a certain job yenye utapata, ndio ukiput in effort isikue ya bure. We need motivation in doing these things. That's why like mtoto wako primary school alikuwa tile tu anajitahidi because anajua after hapo naingia secondary school, after hapo naingia university. Na hizo ni vitu zilikuwa actually government inasaidia kujua after this section we are going to this one, after this unaenda kwa hii ingine. That's why hiyo ingekupea tu motivation yenyewe and you want to put that effort kufika hapo. Now when it comes to the campus life, unaput just to like unaput hizo efforts and yet you don't know what next after your life. After sasa the campus life, you don't know what next. You now stuck into another world yenye, I don't know, I should call it a confused world or what, yenye ujui unaanza wapi umalizie wapi. Like you're just lost in the world. That's where more people get depressed. Wengine tu hata kama we are blaming them, unaona tu mtu ameingia kwa ulevi and all that because si makosa yake. Huyu mtu like ameona the world na iko real now. The thing is imekuwa real, anakuwa welcomed into the world of reality. Huku kwingine alikuwa anabebwa, amebebwa only to be left somewhere in full darkness. Anahitaji familia inamtegemea. Kila mtu mwenye alikuwa anaona uko shule hakuna ako kahuruma kenye akisoma alikuwa anaonewa maybe, and now they are looking up to you. Kila mtu ako macho kwako. Umemaliza shule, umemaliza. Nobody will call you kuuliza umepata job, ulipata job. No one will be concerned about your life. Ni wewe na the world. Mshamaliza. Ujieke kwa kutuma hizo applications nini. Rejection facing, rejection from jobs, rejection here and there. People, we need to pray for each other. Si rahisi by the way kucope hii life. I don't know what we can do. Sana kusaidia wanarika because si rahisi. Sahi kila kitu tu inatutuma tu to business. Na bado kuna zenye tu ukianza it's not easy as well kuzistart, kuzifanyia nini. Kuna taxations huko nje, kuna nini. Like the world is draining actually. Ukifikiria tu vizuri you can get lost. Because jamani si rahisi. The only option that we have is just to put our trust on God, because he says tumpe tu trust yetu, and may we not lean on our own understanding. Maybe hizi degree tumebeba nini, they were not destined for us. Tumepita juu, it is a route for us to go through. Sometimes ni hard kuelewa na ni hard kujua vile utajudge situation juu sometimes we be stuck in situations zenye hatuwezi hata zifanyia kitu. They are actually beyond our control. So what can we do? Just put your trust in God. No matter the situation you're going through, I believe that one day He will change our situations. Yeah. He will definitely do, because whatever He has promised, it shall come to pass. Na kama kuna msem true, it's God. He doesn't lie. He keeps His word. He keeps His promises. Just rely on God's promises. Mtafute usiku na mchana, kuwe kuzuri, kuwe kubaya, wakati umepata amani, just find this God. He is the only solution to our life situations. Na bado ukitafuta Mungu usimtafute kiujinga. You are there doing nothing in the name of unatafuta Mungu. Jitume tu kwa chochote chenye unaweza ona inaweza kusaidia maybe, because kwa hii world nayo utangoja sana kuhurumiwa. Your life will only be yours and yours alone. Nobody is there. Kila mtu ako kwa mambo zake and you can blame no one, because actually hizo vitu unapitia, hizo mashida uko nazo, kila mtu ako na zake, and we are trying to sort out our problems. So utaniambia ni pause zangu nianze kuangalia zako? It is hard. I have to fight on my side as you try to fight on yours. But I feel like ingekuwa kwa uwezo wangu, oh my God, we could encourage more of skills to young generation, because I think the skills are paying more than hizi vitu zingine. Unapitia masomo, vitu complicated, vitu nini zote, you are trying, umepita, ma certificate uko nazo, kwanza ulipass na high flying colors, but no one will actually look at them. Hakuna hata sijui ma certificate zingine zilikuwa zitumike wapi actually. But I believe that God has something for me and something better. And the same way He has a plan for you too. Let's keep on trusting on this God, because He is capable. Yeah, I have seen Him, I have witnessed Him. And me standing here today, testifying this is actually a miracle. I did know that one day I will be here. My story is long and so touching. Yeah, it is long indeed. But if today I can stand the way I am Christine today, it is God. And the same God can uplift you as well. I'm just encouraging someone. I don't know what you have been through. Maybe you are the one sending those applications daily. Every time you are there and nothing is happening, nothing is changing in your life. There is hope if only you trust on this God and lean not on your own understanding. Find a nice way to seek this God and seek Him seriously, without jokes, without anything. Like, put aside companies, put aside hizo stories unasikia and all that. Just commit yourself to this God, and I'm sure He will never shame you. I hope I'm going to encourage someone today. If you are seeing this video, if you are seeing me, just know that there is nothing that God cannot do. There is nothing, absolutely nothing that God can never do. And His promises are yes and amen. Keep on trusting on this God. Only God can help you. Only God. Even if your mother wants how much to help you, kuna situations haezi kusaidia. Hata nini itakikane, kuna situations zenye you only need God. Actually, hakuna kitu ingine inaweza saidia. So, keep on trusting on this God. And daily, jitume tu. Kwa hicho kidogo chenye unapata, usigive up. Ipo siku. Otherwise, I just felt like sharing this to you guys. Sijui kama imekusaidia. You can share there down your views. Who do you think should be blamed? Share down there. To interact to tujue. I wanna hear your views about this. What should we focus more on? Because actually people suffer after campus life. If at all I can give my experience after campus, oh my God. I can remember those days. But it wasn't an easy journey. But my solution only came from God. And I still thank Him. Because angekosa kufika hiyo time sijui. I don't know if I could be here today. And He has done it. So, I'm just encouraging you guys. Trust in this God. He works out things. Sometimes you need to be alone. Have that lonely moment with God. Unamuuliza zile maswali. Una feel like you. I feel this is too far and this is too much for me. Have that one-on-one conversation with Him and trust you me, it won't be in vain. Every little sacrifice you put to seek this God, it will pay one day. Ni hayo tu kwa leo. Nawapenda. Have a lovely day. A lovely good night. A lovely wherever. See you in the next video. Love you.